Today I will be using the book Will Wag from the Piney Pals decodable book series. Remember, if you don't have this book, that's okay. You can use any decodable book that focuses on consonant W. I will be saying 3 words. I want you to listen very carefully with your ears because I want you to tell me what sound is the same in each one of these words. I will say the word, you will echo. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Wag. Will. We. What sound do you hear alike in each one of those words? That's right. You hear W. Let's grab our mirrors and see what our mouth is doing when we make the W sound. Get your mirror, hold it up to your mouth, and say W. What's your mouth doing? You're right. Your lips are round. Your tongue is at the bottom of your mouth. And your mouth is slightly open. Now, I want you to put your hand on your throat, and I want to see if you can feel a vibration when we make that sound. Let's do it together. Here we go. W. Did you feel that? So did I. So that means the W is a voice sound. And when we make the W sound, our lips are round. We know that our tongue's at the bottom. We know it's a voice sound. And our mouth is slightly open when we're making that sound, W. Go ahead, put your mirrors up. Now, I want you to use your eyes because I'm going to write some words on the board, and I want you to look very carefully so that you can tell me what letter's the same in all 3 of these words. W, A, G. W, I, L, L. W, E. What letter do you see alike that's the same in every single one of these words? Correct. You see W. Today, we will be learning about consonant W. Let's read these 3 words. Wag, will, we. Today, when you read What Will Wag, you will have a chance to see the letter W and you will make the W sound. Remember when you do that your lips are round, that your tongue stays at the bottom, that your mouth is open, and it's a voiced sound. Thank you so much for joining me today, and remember, you've got this.